work on, I think I like to kind of post up here to really get the shoulders down and back. I'm gonna work on kind of kissing the knees together. Internal to external. Again, we can roll all the way out into the feet. Just really trying to improve internal, external hip rotation, which is gonna allow us to squat deeper and with better form and technique, more upright trunk and less spinal rounding. Very important. And again, after about 30 seconds, just widen them out a little bit. And this is just gonna encourage more range of motion both ways, particularly going internally. When you're missing that internal rotation, it gets really tough to squat without tucking the tailbone or what's called the butt wink. We're just gonna kind of keep working that area, really pushing out and roll into the outer soles of the feet, opening up the groin, and you'll feel it right in the front of that hip there. Really working to it. Pay attention to kind of, you can kind of take your hands gently and kind of encourage getting them closer together, and use your adductors and groin to push in. Use that muscle motion, you can kind of push out there too. Widen out again. Every 30 seconds, go a little bit wider, kind of moving into more of that sumo stance. And they may not be able to touch at that point, but without forcing it, we're still gonna try to encourage the opening up of that ball and socket joint, right? You wanna be able to open things up in a safe, unloaded environment before you start exposing your body to your full body weight, and especially additional load to your body weight. Another 30 seconds left here. Let's go as wide as we can. This will be your sumo stance, okay? And now we're going here. And again, they're not gonna touch, but it's a really good aggressive angle now that we've warmed things up to move into. Exhale it in, inhale it out. Try to lock in your breathing. Use that exhale to encourage more knees together. 10 seconds before we switch to groiners, going really after those adductors. All right, so now post up.